Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk a little bit about a quick update about the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. I believe that's it. It is a long title, but as you can see, I got my hair up today. Um, I was really pumped. I actually used that, what was it? I did it like on a Saturday, and just as a heads up, I just did the one part on low, and the other parts of my hair, like majority of my hair, I did all on cool. And those are my results. I was not going to use it on high, and I didn't want to use heat the whole time. So, yeah. But I actually really liked it. It lasted me the whole week. I felt like my hair did not really get greasy. I wouldn't do it constantly because I feel like how the bristles are and all that. Um, I feel like it would, pull out more hair than necessary. And I already got pretty, like, fine hair. I don't need to be losing any more hair. It is just not what I want to do. Um, also, because like for a while there, I was losing a lot of hair, and I wasn't doing anything to it. It's literally just doing nothing to it. Um, but don't want to have that happen. So yeah, but I did really liked it. I liked how it gave me so much volume. Now it's kind of weird. I washed my hair last night. This is just next day hair. I didn't do anything to it. I just put it up in my little bun thing. But I do miss the volume because my hair just sticks right flat to my head. It always has. It's always been like really flat to my head. Does not want to give me volume ever. So um, there's that. But yeah, I know I want to start jumping on here more and just start making like more just talking like this videos. Um, Sometimes I find it to be like more authentic, like you're talking to a friend when you do stuff like this rather than, I don't know, always putting on, the big camera and all the lights and all that. Sometimes it just seems a little much. Um, and this is like how I first ever loved YouTube, was when people were more like this. But let me know if you like that. I really like stuff like that because I feel like it's more genuine and it's more of a connection. Me just pulling out my phone, talking to you guys, letting you know what I was thinking about me using something right then and there when it's on my mind. And I don't know, just not the whole like setup all the time. I am going to be doing a skincare routine. I'm actually going to be showing that in a few minutes. I totally had a stupid moment. I actually put on face makeup again today. I'm really trying to make myself feel better. So, and gonna make a video talking about that too. I feel like I never really get personal on here, so we're gonna do that. But yeah, all in all, I did love the one step dryer and volumizer so far. Granted, it's only a 1 week update. This is not a final review. I want to use it for at least, I think, I like to use things for at least a few months, especially when it's like a tool like that. So you can actually really see like what it's doing. So that's what I like to do, but I will let you guys know. But this is a quick 1 week update and quick chit chat. I'm going to stop myself here because if not, I'm going to get into other topics and I don't want to do that. I want to stick to this. And that's not, But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe. So far, so good. I really liked it. I took some really pretty pictures I didn't realize, of my hair. And I really liked the way it looked. It made me like really kind of like fall back in love with my hair again, which is always a nice feeling. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'm probably going to be making a few other videos today and talking and all that. But thanks so much, guys. Bye.